Yeah, hello friends, welcome back to our channel once again. Okay, so today we'll be going to have a look at an option strategy which I personally made an around 8 percentage of an profit in this current December month alone. Okay, so let's have a look at the list of trades which I have taken so far in this December month. Okay, and what is the trade I have taken and how the profit I get. Okay, and all those things. Okay, so and if you guys are watching our video for the first time, then I would request you guys to watch our previous videos as well. Okay, so we have uploaded like till date around like a video of 90 or 90 videos. Okay, so all of them are related to one options and positional trades, intraday, technical picks, all those multiple strategies we have discussed. Okay, so request you guys to watch all the videos which we have uploaded previously. Okay, and if you guys have not yet subscribed, so request you guys to subscribe to my channel. Okay, and also click on that bell icon so that you'll be getting the notifications whenever we upload any new videos. Okay, and if you guys want to know about the very basics of an options, okay, so I request you guys, so we have an online webinar last week. Okay, so we had an webinar last week and it went good as well. Okay, so you guys can even watch this. Okay, so this is for an pure basic knowledge. Okay, so what is so if you guys are not aware of what is options, what is call option, what is put option, all those things, you can just go through these videos. Okay, and also we have updated lot many monthly strategies, weekly strategies, and also and adjustments as well. Okay, here you can find the straddle adjustments, calendar spread, all those things. Okay, so you guys can go through this. Okay, so now let's enter into one strategy. Okay, so I have been writing the blog on the daily basis whenever the market is open. Okay, so before I take the trade or before I exit the trade, all those things, most of the time I'll be posting that inside in my blog. Okay, so if you guys um, can note down this blog from the link description. Okay, and you can go through this blogs on the daily basis. Okay, so this for this particular series I named it as a minting in ebb and flow. Okay, so which means that if the market is going to move upside, we are going to make a profit, or even if the market the particular stock is going to fall down, we'll be going to make a profit. Okay, so that is how about this particular option strategies. Okay, so if you look at, so this is an December month trade. Okay, so the capital involved for this strategy is like only 4.5 lakh. Okay, so I have been not holding more than two stocks trades at a time. Okay, so if you see, first I entered in the Nifty and HDFC Bank. Okay, so trade one is in Nifty, it ended with a profit of 2268.75, and if you look at the trade two, it is HDFC Bank, again it entered with a 5,747. Okay, and Tata Steel 6,200, ICICI Bank 3,781, Asian Paint 4,200, Tata Steel 4,930, Kotak Bank 3,380, Tata Steel 4,845, and Axis Bank 2,700. Okay, so if you look at the out of 9 trades, all top 8 trades are a bullish trades. Okay, and Axis Bank I entered as a bearish trade. Okay, so I assume that Axis Bank might fall, and as per my assumption, again this, as per my view, Axis Bank have been moved down. Okay, so I'm able to packet some money in this Axis Bank as well. Okay, so if you look at the overall profit, right, so the overall profit for this is 38,057. Okay, so and we closed our December series trade last week itself. Okay, so it is on around like 18th or 19th we closed the entire series, and till after that we have only 1 week of a time, and since 25th is in December, 25th it is an Christmas holiday. Okay, so we have been stopped for this stop trading for the current month. Okay, so this is about the option trades. Okay, so which is an option strategy which made us to make a profit. Okay, so if you look at 38,075 with a capital of 4.5 lakh, this is for an 1 lakh, 1 lot. Okay, so which means this comes around an 8 percentage profit. Okay, so we have entered like all the trades, and by God grace all the trades ended in the profit without giving a loss even in the single trade. Okay, so there will be an MTM losses sometimes. Okay, but overall the profit is good for the current December month alone. Okay, so the strategy which we entered for this particular strategy for this particular thing is it's a ratio spread. Okay, so all the things are put ratio spread, and Axis Bank we entered in a call ratio spread. Okay, so this is about the ratio spreads. Okay, so if you guys want to know about the exact legs we have entered, when we have exited. Okay, so most of the time we have entered and exited in max 4 to 5 days. Okay, so we have not holded any of the stocks more than 4 to 5 days. Okay, so we have entered in a 4 5 days, we'll be getting the credit amount and we'll be exiting the trade. Okay, so this is how we traded in the December month. Okay, so you guys can go through my blog. Okay, so the respective link will be available in the description. Okay, so where you can find out the strategy. Okay, so other than this, even we have doing a nifty option selling strategies as well. Okay, so the same also will be posted in the current blog itself. Okay, so you guys can go through this blog. Okay, and we have an option webinar as well as some services as well. Okay, so to know about the services whatever we provide related to an option trading, you can WhatsApp me at 730-522-6224. Okay, so here we can find out the option nifty option strategy. Okay, so we are holding this trade. Okay, so right now it is trading at the profit of 8,861. Okay, so this is an option strategy. Okay, so here we started and we used to post even how the adjustments we have to do, all those things will be posting in the same blog itself. Okay, so you guys can go through that. Okay, and also you can go through the details, the content of our workshops in www.letslearntrading.com. Okay, so also the respective links will be available in the description, so you guys can go through. And even if you guys have any adjustments have to be done, all those things, even you can ping me and I'm happy to help at free of cost. Okay, so nothing charged or nothing will be collected. Okay, so I'm happy to help you guys. Okay, so if you feel any trade related help, you can WhatsApp me. Okay, so thanks for watching friends, and the main agenda of these webinars, all those things, is I love to share my knowledge with others. Okay, so that is the reason, and max 5 to 6 people only will be allowed to my webinar sessions. Okay, and not more than that. Okay, so you guys can go through my sessions, and my sessions feedback as well. Okay, so the sessions will be always simple, no charts, no indicators, nothing complexity involved. Okay, so you guys can look at the feedbacks as well here. Okay, so thanks for watching friends, and if you guys have any doubts related to this particular strategy, you guys can go through my blog. And still, if you guys have any doubts, I have added my WhatsApp number in the blog post as well. Okay, so you guys can look and you can ping me. Okay, so thanks for watching friends. So please do like, share with your friends, and comment your feedbacks or your queries as well. Okay, so thanks for